here now, huh?
Dustin Starr. Dustin.
I'm the winner of the championship, you idiot! I am the champion!
Number one contender, Dustin Starr.
If you win.
Is there a winner by pinfall?
Come on, baby.
He is the champion. All right, your winner and new oWo champion, Dustin Starr.
Hit the music! All the man! Championship gold. And as you can see, oWo 5-star is the new oWo Super Show champion. Now I know in 2 weeks, on April 30th, right here in Amory, Mississippi, you've got a former world heavyweight champion coming to town.
That's right, he gonna win.
One of the most popular tag team wrestlers of all time. Yeah. I'm real impressed since I'm a 2-time Mr. Tennessee. I'm a Southern heavyweight champion, an oWo heavyweight champion, Marvel Elite Wrestling Memphis heavyweight champion. I'm a 2 USP live athlete. I am the man around here, Matt Hardy. And before I get a little carried away, my Maria has some words for you, Matt Hardy.
Hey, you never get called there, right? Kick in jail.
That's right. Right here, right now, we are issuing a 5-star challenge.
That's right.
I am so confident in my man. So confident.
That's right.
Like he said, he is a 2-time Mr. Tennessee, a USP Live athlete. He is all mine. He is only mine. I am so confident that my man Dustin Starr will beat Matt Hardy.
That's right. I will beat Matt Hardy, and
That we are going to put the oWo title on the line.
that's right. That's right. 5-star challenge, April 30th, Amory, Mississippi. My Maria is so sure I'm going to beat Matt Hardy that I will put the oWo Heavyweight Championship on the line. The challenge has been made. Matt Hardy, 5-star, and the power couple have drawn the line in the sand. April 30th, Do you call the shots?
She won it.
We want it. We want it.
Everybody, Dustin 5-star with Maria with a face, Matt Hardy.
Oh yeah.
And everybody on championship. Everybody, right here.
Let's do it. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Oh yeah, let's do it.
Hey, it should be Maria and Dustin. That's the show. Yeah, boy.
Everybody, don't leave. Get out your tickets for that 50 picture drawing right quick.
Oh yeah. It's like a macho man, huh?
We have a 3-minute general admission to April 30th oWo Super Show event.
Don't go anywhere. 5 stars coming back with power couple t-shirts and autographed pictures, because I know everybody's gonna want one after we beat Matt Hardy on April the 30th.
You guys got your tickets out. Here comes the giveaway. I'm going to read these off.
I can do this all night, baby. I can do this all night. I'll be right back. Woo! I love it. I love me some meat.